How to make a Taurus man miss you, 5 superb ways. Number 1. Spend time apart to spice things up. If you're always together, he won't have time to miss you. You can try spending more time with your friends and or family without him, even if he doesn't enjoy it. Tell him that you require you time. Some Taurus men struggle with it, but it all depends on who they are as individuals. He wants you to be happy and successful in whatever you choose to accomplish with your life. He will miss you if you can find the time to spend some time apart. There are Tauruses that are so strong in nature that they don't want to show you how they really feel. If he truly loves you, he will say, "I wish you were here." Allow him to spend time with his buddies as well. It's quite natural to spend time with friends apart from your significant partner. It is not only healthy, but it should also aid in the maintenance of your relationship's balance. He'll love you for the freedom, and he'll show you that even though he had a nice time without you, he did miss you. Number 2. Refrain from messaging him too much. If you don't text him as frequently as you'd like, he'll miss you. He likes to text a lot to stay in touch with you, and when you step back a bit, he worries if you're thinking about him at all. It will arouse his inner need to be the man and take command. He'll tell you how much he misses you and how much he can't wait to see you again. He may also inquire as to whether or not everything is in order. Having regular contact with him will make him feel a little too comfortable and have no reason at all to miss you. Number 3. Send a seductive text or email to him. It makes no difference whether you live with him or not, sending him a well-thought-out text or email that gets his engine revved up, he will miss you. He'll want to leave work as soon as possible to see you. Sending Taurus attention-grabbing texts will make him miss you in the worst and best ways. He'll be wriggling and attempting to keep himself still till he can see you. Number 4. Mark your scent. It may sound a bit silly, but men are driven by being able to smell you on their personal belongings. You can spray some of your perfume on his blankets and pillow, or leave a perfumed message for him to find on his dresser. He'll think about it all day and he'll miss you. It's a strategy for females to mark their territory. Number 5. Captivating photos. You may email him a sexy image of yourself without saying anything. Just wait to hear what he has to say. But remember not to overdo it. Just every now and again. You can do it at any moment during the week to add some excitement to the routine. He'll appreciate your impulsive side, and it may cause him to miss you. The finest thing you can do is ensure that you remain in his thoughts even when you are not present. Simply by doing tiny things, he will be reminded of you. What are your thoughts on how to make a Taurus man miss you? Please comment below. Do you want to discover the 3 important secrets of your Taurus man in this year 2022? Please click the link below.